welcome back to Orit's Kitchen, and I'm Orit. It's wonderful to see you guys again. So I hope you've been catching up on all my episodes. I have a lot going on right now with my channel, so make sure you catch up on all my episodes. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this chicken recipe in the oven. Remember guys, I'm not a professional cook. I just learn from other people. I go online and I mix things up and I try to come up with something that you guys would like. So today I'm going to be sharing you, like I said, the chicken episode that my sister-in-law Shirley, shout out to you, thank you for sharing your recipe with me. So one time we went out for dinner to their house and she made this chicken with onions. I'm like, oh my god, this is so good, you gotta tell me how to make it. I want to show everybody. So I made it at home and I wanted to make sure that I got it down right before I shared it with you guys. So I already made this before and I took pictures of each thing that I did, and Gabby will incorporate all of these in there for you. So first thing is, you can get a whole chicken, or like in my pictures I have chicken thighs, okay? And you just do the same thing. Whatever you do with the chicken thigh, you're gonna do it with the whole chicken, okay? You're gonna wash the chicken, you're going to pat it dry, okay? And what I did was I put it in the plastic bags that I have that I use in my other episodes. So let me show you how that is. This one, okay? These are totally optional because I know some people are against using these. I know some people don't want to use foil. That's fine. Put it in whatever you're comfortable in putting it in, okay? But like I said, I put it in here. You know, the main thing is the ingredients, the seasonings that you use, okay? So once you pat it dry, you're gonna put some salt and pepper on it. You're gonna put paprika on it. You're going to put some garlic powder on it and olive oil. You're gonna rub it all up nice and get it everywhere, okay? Again, if you're not comfortable using your hand, just put gloves on and do that, okay? Then once it all nice and rubbed on and you put it in the bag or whatever it is that you put it in, you're gonna chop up a bunch of onions, like a bunch, okay? And you're gonna stuff it in the tummy of the whole chicken. Or if you're using thighs only or whatever, just like me, just sprinkle it all around in the picture that I've showed you, okay? And last but not least, the most important thing is you can get jam, okay? I have a picture of that too. You can use this basic sour cherry jam, okay? This one I found in the Middle Eastern market, okay? Or you can use the strawberry jams, for example, from Trader Joe's. Any jam will do. Now, if you use the sour cherry one, which is the one that I used, okay, all you need is basically just the syrup of it. You don't necessarily have to put the cherry itself on it, okay? You get the syrup, make sure you put it everywhere, rub that down. Not only does it give it a flavor, it also gives it a nice little cute color, okay? So once you got the main ingredients was the onion and the sour cherry or the jam, whatever, and the rest of the seasonings, okay? Then you go to put it in the oven. You can cover it up with foil, or you don't have to, but you can cover it up with foil, let it cook for over an hour or so under 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then after that take it off. It should have a lot of water in it. That's totally fine. If like for me, the chicken thigh is about an hour and a half, it's ready. If you use a whole chicken, it may take up about 2 hours, 2.5 hours for it to be ready at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're going to take the cover off and you're going to let the top part get brown. Now, you don't have to necessarily put the foil on top at the beginning. You can let it cook. Once you notice that the top part is getting brown, then you can put a foil on it. Make sure you don't burn. Put a foil on it. Therefore, it prevents it from getting any browner or burn on the skin and the vegetables. I also put some vegetables in there as well, alongside with the chicken. It was kid approved, husband approved. It was great, okay? So I have a little bit left over, so I'll show you guys in a second. Welcome back. So, ta-da! There's the pieces of onions I wanted to show you from the food, okay? And then there's the coloring and everything from on the chicken and because of the jam that I put in. And there's the vegetables, potatoes, sweet bell peppers and carrots. You can put Brussels sprouts or whatever else other vegetables you'd like. So that's the outcome of it. So once again, thank you, Shirley, for sharing that with me. I also put it with a side of basic white basmati rice. If you want to know how to make rice, go on I believe my second episode, and I'll explain all that detail to you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my episode. Please make this chicken. It's a wonderful, yummy recipe for the oven and for your family and friend. Thank you again. I'll see you guys next time. See ya.